Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text in a circle in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then create your document or open your existing document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I write text in circle. At first I have to click this shape option, then choose ellipse tools. Now I draw a ellipse, then go to text option or type tool. Now I select this type tool and press on this ellipse here. Now write your text. Now you can see I write text in a circle in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.